Assalamualaikum friends, my name is Junan Freelancing Wala and I am student at Ryan School Kurangi campus. Today's my topic is Imran Khan TEDx. Never give up on your dreams. In this video, Imran Khan talks about why it's important to dream and work hard for your dreams. He shared parts of his life, sports, education, charity, showing how he did not give up. He says you will face problems and failure at the start, but if you stay determined, you will improve. He tells us not to worry too much about what others say. Pick your own path and believe you can do it. He highlights that teamwork, support, and good purpose matter a lot. It's hard to go alone. At the end, he reminds us that even successful people were weak at first, but they believe in themselves and move forward. So it's my short review video on Imran Khan TEDx. If you like my video, make sure to like and follow. Until next time, Allah Hafiz.